Hi everyone, my name is Choo Xuan Zheng. Currently, I'm studying culinary arts in IPK College. So this year, I'll be competing in BOTC in Penang. And for my dish, I'll be doing dry-aged duck with bigarat sauce. So for my dish, I'll be doing dry-aged duck accompanied with bigarat sauce, fondant potatoes, and garnished with orange segments, kale chips, and asparagus. During my training, everything was sponsored by the college. I would like to thank the college for sponsoring everything, including the products, equipment, and I would like to thank the lecturers for taking their time to lecture us, teaching us how to make each dish and improve on each dish.